Hello everyone. Firstly, I want to know that how many of you know about what do's and don'ts of a ZD round? How many of you know? Okay, I will give 30 seconds. Think about it and then comment below which points do you know or do you have. Okay, and if you don't know, please, I'm telling you, stay on the video till end, then comments which of the points you know about already or which of the points you don't know. Okay, so your 30 second will start now. Okay. Okay, then let's start. Okay, so firstly I'm going to tell you the do's of a group discussion of GD. Okay, the first thing you need to know about is very important is dress formally. Okay, देखो, first thing always remember, if you are going for interview or if you are going to for a formal meeting, I am surely suggesting you to be in a formal dress. please wear formal Please wear formal clothes. And second thing, always wear a smile on your face. If you are going with side face, mark my words, the person with whom you are gonna talk will definitely understand that you are not happy or you are nervous. Okay, so do not take it casually. Dress smartly and dress formally. In a go for in a formal outfit for GD or personal interview. Okay, so moving on the next point, keep eye contact while speaking. Okay, so this is also a very important point. If you are going for a GT round or interview round, don't look at in the walls or other things on the chair or table. Okay, stay relaxed and keep your eye contact with every team member. Not you are gonna do to I you you only make one only with one person. Okay, you don't need to do, and don't stare on only one member. Okay, because you are not only discussing with one person. Okay, you are not talking with only one person, you are going to discuss with four or five or sometimes it will be 10 members. Okay, so remember this. And the third point is allow others to speak. Okay, don't interrupt others while they're speaking, or if you are speaking, then not don't need to go speak. You don't need to. Okay, when others are speaking, don't interrupt. Even if you are don't agree with their thoughts, try try to figure out what they're saying, or if you have other points what they're saying on over it and you don't agree, please wait for your turn, then speak. Okay, and the fourth point, this is very important, is a positive attitude. Okay, you need to maintain positive attitude. so so देखो, so the GD is a team activity. You know कि that GD is a team activity. We are not going to discuss only with one person, as previously I said. So speak confidently, but don't dominate anyone. Okay, don't dominate anyone. Always remember, this is not a debate. We have always seen, we have seen many times, so many times in news, the politician debates. Okay, so we are not going for any debate, so we don't need to do this. This is a discussion, so express yourself calmly, politely, and make sure you have positive body language. Okay, so moving on the next point, fifth point, listen carefully to others. Okay, being a good listener in a is very important in group discussion. Okay, so listen to everyone, pay attention when others is speaking, what they're saying. Okay, this will encourage coherent discussion, and you will get involved in the group positively. You may show your positive side, and you can show yourself as a good listener. Okay, so these are the most important points for GD round which you should do. Now moving on the don'ts of a GD round. Okay, so there are not many points, but the two most important points of don'ts of a GD round is, firstly, don't rush into GD. I mean, if the topic is that you are unaware, okay, if you don't know about the topic, I requested you to don't be the first. Okay, don't be the first to speak about the topic. So take your time. Okay, because if you are going to be the first person who were speaking on the topic, it will take you to the low score your for GD round. Okay, if you are not sure about the topic, take your time, listen to the others. As I said previously, listening skill is very important, so listen to the others and then pick some clues from them if you can. Okay, pick some clues from them, pick some sentences from them, and then frame your argument. What do you want to say next when your turn comes? Okay, so the second most important point, as I said before, that this is not a debate, this is group discussion, so you don't need to be aggressive. Okay, don't need to be aggressive, so speak politely, speak clearly. Okay, if you are gonna speak in a very bad manner, okay, if you are gonna speak in that you are what say, if you are dominating your uh, other members of the group discussion, it will lose your job. Okay, so speak clearly, speak politely, and yes, use simple languages to convey your thoughts. Okay, okay, it, I mean simple words as you can you use without being irritable. Okay, so don't be aggressive even if you disagree with someone's thought. Okay, so these all are the do's and don'ts of a group discussion. I hope it is beneficial for you, and please comment below that which do's and don'ts you know and you don't know. Okay, thank you. So, and please subscribe my channel that you can get notification of my all new videos related to GT Town. Thank you so much.